Good morning. This is Lance, an equity analyst for ABCAP, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. U.S. equities reversed gains at the tail end of the session after President Trump stated that he would hold a press conference in China on Friday. His statement came after China's National People's Congress, or NPC, approved the proposal to impose new legislation for Hong Kong, which is expected to curtail Hong Kong's freedom. The Standing Committee, a smaller decision-making body under the NPC, will now work on details of the legislation and then implement them. The bill bypasses Hong Kong's legislature, and the process to enact the law could take a few months to complete. Dow Jones fell 148 points, Nasdaq fell 43 points, while the S&P fell 6 points. For a market outlook, we expect the market to react to President Duterte's announcement of easing lockdown measures in NCR. This should be good for the market as the move will enable the country to restart the economy. However, we are well aware of the potential risk of the spike in number of cases, and this may force the government to once again implement a stricter lockdown measure in Metro Manila. We are seeing the market to trade the range of 5,400 and 5,600 for now. In other news, JFC reported a 1.8 billion peso net loss in 1Q 2020, mainly due to the impact of COVID-19. We expect 2Q results to be a lot worse as the company will feel the full impact of COVID-19 brought about by the lockdown. 3Q and 4Q are seen as recovery quarters. In another corporate earnings news, FB reported a 20% decline in its 1Q 2020 net income to 5.8 billion pesos, still due to the impact of COVID-19. However, despite its disappointing performance, its net income is equivalent to 36% of the full year 2020 consensus estimate of 16 billion pesos. Its food business remains competitive, declining just 2% to 33.2 billion pesos, while significant declines were seen from its beer segment and spirits segment, declining 18% to 28.4 billion pesos and 10% to 7.5 billion pesos respectively. At 62.85 pesos per share, FB's 2020 PE ratio is at 23.2 times, while its dividend yield is 2.6%. And that wraps up our market outlook. Have a good